Good day mga Kemi. Today, let's talk about what primary sources available inside our home. So first, what is primary sources? Primary sources are immediate first-hand accounts of a topic from people who had a direct connection with it. Primary sources can include text of laws and other original documents, newspaper reports by reporters who witnessed an event or who quote people who did, speeches, diaries, letters, interviews, etc. So, what is the primary source that is available inside our home is my elementary diploma because I graduated at Sacred Art Academy Bugo, Cagayan de Oro City. So this is my diploma here. So I will drop some sample pictures here below to prove you, no, and to show you the evidence of and proveness. So I think that's all.